My name is Lena Muschik, as stated, and I'm from the German Center of Higher Education Studies here in Hanover. My poster is on a topic that disrupted our academic community again and again in recent years, namely sexual and gender harassment in doctoral education specifically, so a smaller part of the higher education system. At conferences like ours today, there are a lot of early career searchers, just as myself, and some of them may have experienced sexual or gender harassment during their doctoral studies, but I believe most of you, and me too, know people who experienced this during their education. There is already a lot of literature on this topic, especially on faculty, as we heard a lot today, and on the student body, but there, so far, to my knowledge, is no representative data on the prevalence of sexual and gender harassment in doctoral education in Germany, even acknowledging the PhD net survey reports from the Max Planck Society, but those are focused on only their doctoral researchers. And my poster provides this insight. On the other hand, there's a lack of comparative studies between general and sexual harassment that disentangle commonalities and differences between the two forms. And my poster shows that there are more differences than commonalities in both victims and perpetrators. And those implications are very important for policymakers inside and outside academia, because we need reliable figures on prevalence, on how big the problem is, to argue about it. And also, we need to know how different forms, just had to check, sorry, how different forms of harassment work to have targeted measures in our academic system. So, I want to invite you to stop by my poster later if you're interested in this research, but also if you have any personal experience, that would be important to me too, to learn about that. And also if you're interested in the databases, it's representative data on German doctoral researchers. You can also come by. And finally, if you're interested in the instrument that measured sexual harassment at the academic workplace, you can stop by my fantastic colleagues Christoph Heger's poster, who shows the instrument, and we'll talk about it later too. Thank you.